Good morning. Today I would like to discuss an important judgment about Muslim personal law, particularly divorce, talaq, and another judgment particularly for veteran criminal lawyers like Sankara Subbu. There is a judgment by Division Bench AR 2021, Supreme Court 2716, Bachelal vs. State of Uttar Pradesh. They seems to have held that the Uttar Pradesh circular to release the convicts, those who have undergone 14 years of imprisonment, premature release. Some discrimination were discussed, and finally they say this should be done with the consultation of legal service authority. So you keep it that on file and work out your remedy. They say if your premature release is not concerned, you must go and approach the High Court first. That. But the important other judgment is somewhat a doctrinal judgment about personal laws of Muslim. So I would like to refer those important provisions discussed in this judgment. AR 2021, Kerala Division Bench 124, A. Mohammed Mustaq and C.S. Das Division Bench judgment. Reference case X versus Y. They say Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act, Section 8, Act 8 of 1939, Section 2, Muslim Personal Law, Shariat Application Act 26 of 1937, Section 2, Subclass 1, 2, Subclass 7, 2, Subclass 9 and Section 9. They say right of Muslim women to invoke extrajudicial divorce. Shariat Act recognizes both extrajudicial divorce as well as judicial divorce. Intention of Muslim Marriage Act is to extend judicial divorce to all Muslim women, irrespective of schools they follow. Statutory provisions never intend to do away with the practice of extrajudicial divorce otherwise available to Muslim women. Muslim Marriage Act only restricts Muslim women to annul their marriage invoking fasq except through intervention of court. All other form of extrajudicial divorce like talaq, tafiz, kulla and mubara all are available to Muslim women. So they have deeply discussed about what kinds of schools which follow this, what is authority of qazi, what is talaqi, tafiz. Then they have discussed about form of divorce and ground of divorce. Both are different. They have discussed about it. Then they say divorce, validity of kulla. Right to invoke kulla conferred upon married Muslim woman is absolute right, akin to talaq conferred upon married Muslim man. Family court can grant divorce on basis of agreement executed between the parties. Referring kulla as divorce based on mutual consent. Validity of kulla does not depend on acceptance and consent of husband. Procedural aspect of kulla needs to be referred from Quran and Hadiths. Quran thrust on conciliation as a medium of dispute resolution before taking concrete decision. Kulla will be treated as valid and effective under law only if proceeded by effective attempt for reconciliation of family. Then Family Court Act. Extrajudicial divorce, Muslim wife, family court has ample jurisdiction to declare matrimonial status of any person. Family court can endorse extrajudicial divorce. In matter of talaq, kulla, mubarak, talaq, tafiz, family courts can entertain application moved by either parties or both parties to declare marital status of such parties. In matter of unilateral dissolution of marriage invoking kulla and talaq, scope of enquiry before family court is limited. If any person wants to contest effectiveness of kulla and talaq, it is open for aggrieved person to contest same in appropriate manner known under law. In matter of Mubarak and Talaki Tafis, on being satisfied, dissolution is being effected on mutual consent, family court without further inquiry shall declare marital status. The family court therefore shall restrain from adjudicating upon extrajudicial divorce unless it is called upon to decide its validity in appropriate manner. So they have discussed about Kerala judgment and other judgment regarding this. You have to go through the judgment. It is a doctrinal judgment. Those who are approaching postgraduate in law, doctorate in law, MPhil in law, and wanted to draft dissertation and whatnot. So I hope you understand this case. Because I can only I can't in a position to discuss this in a deep manner, because unless and until you require to understand this personal law subject, if you are really interested, go through the judgment, that may help you. Swachh Bharat, that is being implemented in High Court also. With a great salute to Chief Justice Banerjee, who wanted to initiate to clean the statutes inside the High Court. I hope they have invited advocates to also assist, and we all are inclined to assist, but we do not know how the God authorities allow us to enter the premises. Okay, whatever may be, we are soldering with the effect of Chief Justice, who wanted to keep the High Court clean. We also want the High Court premises to be clean, and we want High Court premises to be clean by removing some of the courts from High Court, which invites a heavy crowd. And also, I would like to the law commissions of state and union and other Chief Justice of India and others to delete this original side from the High Court, so that there may be expedite disposal of original side cases. You keep commercial courts intact, because that invites a lot of academic proposition of law. I hope because the even small matters like probation of I already told Indian Succession Act must be amended suitably with the original side rules amendment, that the instead of filing TOP, common law process of filing suit should be permitted, so that the suit is being disposed if the will is genuine by declaring the will as genuine. If the will is not genuine, the consequences relief as required. Surprisingly, I want to share this also with you, because I have some itching problem. I have taken some medicines, particularly Ayurveda medicine, that medicine given by my junior's brother, Mr. Madhivanan's brother. I do not know that was cured itch, but also I can't read books by wearing glasses. Now I am able to read books without glasses. So my point 3.2 or something was there, but that I do not know. For the past 10 days I am able to read, watch even long distance as well as short distance. I want to share with you, but this has to be subject to research of any other persons who indulge in this. area. I do not know which medicines helped me, what helped me, or whether I am my indoor stay is helping. God only knows. God bless you.